Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Nexo, to this grammar class. Today we study personal pronouns.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the basic rules. Examples. We see short, clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct pronoun. Nexo. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory.
Great. I will pay attention.
What personal pronouns are? A personal pronoun is a short word for a person or thing. It can replace a name. Example. Tom is happy. He is happy. Example. The dog is small. It is small. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns do the action in a sentence. They usually come before the verb. Example. I read a book. Example. They play soccer. The main subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Example. We are students. Example. You are my friend. I and you. Use I when you speak about yourself. I is always a capital letter. Example. I am a student. Example. I like coffee. Use you for one person or more than one person. The form does not change. Example. You are kind. Example. You are a team. He, she, and it. Use he for a male person. Use she for a female person. Example. The man is tall. He is tall. Example. The woman is a doctor. She is a doctor. Use it for one animal, place, or thing when the name is not important. Example. The cat is black. It is black. Example. The bag is heavy. It is heavy. We and they. Use we when you speak about yourself and another person or group. Example. We are at school. Example. We like music. Use they for two or more people, animals, places, or things. Example. The birds are blue. They are blue. Example. The books are new. They are new. Good work with the theory. Now, examples will help us practice.
Examples make the rules clearer.
I have a red pen. You have a blue bag. He has a green bike. She has a yellow hat. It is a big house. We are in the park. They are in the classroom. I see a white car. You drink water. He opens the door. She draws a flower. It is on the table. We eat apples. They run in the street. Nice practice with the examples. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the challenge.
Choose an option. I am at home. Choose an option. You are my teacher. Choose an option. He is a boy. Choose an option. She is a girl. Choose an option. It is a chair. Choose an option. We are friends. Choose an option. They are cats. Choose an option. I. I like pizza. Choose an option. He. He reads a book. Choose an option. She. She cooks rice. Choose an option. It. It is cold today. Choose an option. We. We play tennis. Good job. You completed the class on personal pronouns.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next lesson.